Sun Salutation or Surya Namaskar, it increases the metabolism and blood circulation. So it helps in glowing skin. It works as a cardio workout. So it increases the blood circulation throughout the body, tones up the muscles. It improves the digestive system. It ensures the menstrual cycle for women. So always we practice sun salutation in the early morning time in empty stomach. It helps in weight reduction and pranic flow of the energy.
Welcome to Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. So friends, Surya Namaskar have 12 kriyas. In that 7 are the major asanas you will see while doing the asanas, and the 5 are the repetitive postures. Yes, and also we will be performing with both the sides, one with the left side and the other one with the right side. So that was one cycle of Surya Namaskar. So friends, first Surya Namaskar will be doing it normally, and I've also shown in my previous videos that I've explained very well. You can just go and check it out. Then second round when we do Surya Namaskar, we'll do it with the breathing. Okay, so how is the breathing technique? Then the third Surya Namaskar, third round of Surya Namaskar, we'll do it with the mantra chanting. So let's begin. Establish your feet well, both the palms in Anjali Mudra. 2, we stretch our arms and try to arch your back as much you can without folding your knees. 3, come back to the center and push your hips back, and we lean forward from our lower back. We will fold our knees slightly, micro bend your knees, resting your belly, your chest on your thighs. Relax your neck completely. 4, ashwa sanchalan, we move our left leg behind, resting your foot back, and make sure your knee and your ankle in line. Then we move in 5th position, either in Dandasana or plank, or you can take Urdhva Hastasana. Your heels pressing down, your hips pointing up. 6, Sashtang Namaskar, where you drop your knees, you push your chest and chin down, keeping your hips up. 7, we stretch our spine upward and feel the stretch. Do not hyperextend your elbows, slightly roll your elbows out and shoulders pushing downward. Do not lift your thighs. Then we tuck our toes. 8, again we come back to the Parvatasana or downward facing. Then we move our right leg up. Exhale. We place our foot between our palms. 10, we move in Padhastasana. Micro bend your knee, relax your neck, relax your shoulders, your spine relax. 11, you raise your head, extend your arms forward, and very slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae, you come up. Stretch your spine, open your heart, your lungs, and come back to the center, both the palms to your heart region. We'll do it with the right side now. 2, raise your arms up. 3, very slowly pushing your hips back. Engage your thigh bone muscles, and we go down very slowly. Relax your shoulder, relax your neck. Slightly micro bend your knees if you are a beginner and if you find your spine is in round shape. 4, we step our right foot back in ashwa sanchalan, going in low lunge, where you're pushing your hips in front and down, flipping your toes back. Check your front knee is not over stretching. 5, you can either take plank or you can go in Adho Mukha like a mountain. Engage your core, your belly in. 6, Sashtang Namaskar, drop your knees. And then push your chest and chin down, keeping your hips up. 7, drop your spine, stretch your spine in front and raise your neck up. Micro bend your elbows, so don't strain your elbow joint. 8, you will move in Parvatasana or downward facing. 9, raise your left leg up, fold your knee and fix your foot between your palms. Head up. Feel the stretch in your right side of your pelvic joint and your right side of your lower belly, your thigh. And then we tuck our toe, moving your left foot. Micro bend your knees in Padhastasana. Relax your neck. And then we slowly stretch our arms in front and vertebrae by vertebrae. We stretch our spine upward. And then 12th, we come back to the center and our feet together. Relax both the palms by your side. So this was one cycle of Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation. Now we move to the second round of Sun Salutation with the breathing technique. Okay, so let's again establish our posture well. Feet together, both the palms in Anjali Mudra. Normal breathing here. 2, inhale and we stretch our spine. And whenever you back bend, you inhale, look up. Exhale, we come back to the center and we move forward bending. Exhale out completely. Relax your shoulders. Check if you have any medical issues. You will not strain yourself. You will not do so much of forceful practice. Inhale and we step our left foot back in ashwa sanchalan. Raise your chin up. Exhale, we either take a plank or you can go in Urdhva Hastasana or Parvatasana. Breathe out completely. Then 6th pose is Sashtang Namaskar. Drop your knees, your chest down, and we hold our breath in Bahir Kumbhak. Then we rest our belly, inhale, and we arch our back in Bhujangasana. Exhale, tuck your toes, coming in Adho Svanasana. From here, the asanas are repeating. Inhale, we raise our right leg up, fold your knee and fix your foot right between your palms. Exhale, we move our left leg together in Padhastasana. Exhale completely, your belly in. So slowly we inhale and extend your arms in front, vertebrae by vertebrae. You will lift your spine up, stretch your spine. Inhale, opening your lungs. Exhale, slowly come back to the center and both the palms to your heart center. So we move to the right side now. Establish your posture well, normal breathing. Both the palms together, elbows out. Inhale, 2, stretching your arms up and try to push your hip forward, opening your lungs, keeping your knees straight. Exhale, come in the center. We push our hips back and feel your hamstring muscle behind your thigh bone. We rest our palms either on the floor or you can go as far as you can. Micro bend your knee, exhale out completely. Inhale, now this time we move our right foot back in ashwa sanchalan and lift your head up. 5, we move either in plank or you take Adho Svanasana. Exhale out completely. Then in 6, we move our knees down and push the chest and chin down in Bahir Kumbhak. Exhale and hold your breath. Then we drop our navel, we extend our spine in front and we raise our spine upward facing. Inhale in Bhujangasana. Exhale, your chin to collarbone and lift your hips up in Adho Mukha Svanasana, 8th position. Breathe out completely. Exhale. Then we raise our left leg up. Breathe in and exhale. Again, you inhale and raise your chin up. Whenever you look upward, it's always inhalation. And then 10th, Padhastasana. Bring your both the feet together. Forward bend is exhale. Inhale, we stretch our arms in front and come back slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae. Inhale, arch your back, open up your lungs. Exhale, come back to the center and normal breathing in Anjali Mudra, Pranamasana. And relax your palms. So now we'll be doing the last and the third round with the mantra chanting. There are 12 mantras of Surya Namaskar. Let's begin. Okay, so we'll again establish a posture, both the palms together. Om Mitray Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryay Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Khagay Namaha. Om Pushney Namaha. Om Hiranyagharbhai Namaha. Om Adityay Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Savitrey Namaha. Om Khagay Namaha. Om Bhaskaray Namaha. Now with the right side. Om Mitray Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryay Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Khagay Namaha. Om Pushney Namaha. Om Adityay Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Khagay Namaha. Om Savitrey Namaha. Om Bhaskaray Namaha. And relax. Feel the energy and urja in your entire body. Each and every cells of your body, your systems, the organs, it starts working well. And feel your heart, feel the palpitation in your belly, feel your breath. So friends, 3 times we did Surya Namaskar practice. So make sure you do this for 21 days. It's a challenge for you. And there are mantras. Do this mantra challenge also. Mitray Namaha, Ravaye Namaha, Surya Namaha, Bhanave Namaha, Khagay Namaha, Om Pushney Namaha, Hiranyagharbhai Namaha, Marichaye Namaha, Adityay Namaha, Om Savitrey Namaha, Urdhva Namaha, Bhaskaray Namaha. So I hope you a blessed day and a wonderful day ahead. Thank you. Stay blessed. Namaste.